Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was talking to an old friend of mine who's a Cambridge examiner, and she told me that Cambridge had been floating the idea of phasing out written exams and instead asking all candidates who sit the Cambridge exams not to do handwritten exams but to type their answers. Apparently there's already been a bit of a backlash to this proposal, to this idea, and personally I can see how it might be problematic in lots of different ways. If you talk about a company or an organisation or a government phasing things out or starting to phase things out, you mean that they're removing or stopping these things gradually over time or in stages over a period of time. So here in the UK, the government has basically promised to phase out the use of diesel cars because they're very polluting, they're very bad for the environment. But obviously you can't just get rid of them overnight. You have to get rid of them slowly over a period of time, phase them out. Airlines will often phase out planes that are more than 20 years old, and sometimes firms phase out old models of a particular product, meaning that if you own one of those old models and they break down and you want to get spare parts for them, it can be very, very difficult. You end up having to scour hidden corners of the internet in search of that kind of thing. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use phase out.